While you can use complete models if you like, perhaps the most important part of TensorFlow Hub is in how it provides an environment that lets you take advantage of transfer learning. With transfer learning on top of state-of-the-art modules, the training time of your model can be reduced significantly, and you may be able to increase your overall accuracy. TensorFlow Hub's modules can be broadly categorized into 3 problem domains: text, image, and video. Each is then subclassified into the type of machine learning task it's intended to work for. For text, a number of pre-learned embeddings are available, but for images and computer vision, a variety of machine learning tasks like image classification, extracting feature vectors of input images, image augmentations, object detection, and many more are available. For video, models for classification can be used. Installing Hub is pretty straightforward using a pip install, and once it's installed, you can import it like this. To load a module, you can then use its unique module handle, which is a URL string. To obtain the module handle, the developer has to browse through the catalog of modules in the TensorFlow Hub website and then find it from there. In this example demonstration, we've displayed the module handle for the MobileNet image classification module. Finally, we'll make use of TensorFlow Hub's load API to load the module into memory. So, for example, for a MobileNet like we just saw, when browsing, you might see a page like this one, which contains lots of details about the model, including where it originated, code samples for using it, and often details like fine-tuning.